Hello everyone. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to modify your reduced water washer to use more water. Now you can see right here you got your standard load size or water level, but that only controls the wash. And in rinse, the water level is small no matter what this is set at. Now the way this thing works is you got two pressure switches. You get your standard one here, which is adjustable. All it does is move a little plunger in there. Then you got the second one here, which is factory set to small, and as you can see, it's not adjustable from the outside. Now there's two ways you can, now this can be adjusted. You need to press it on this plunger. You see what I'm doing? Pressing on that. There's a little finger in here. You slide that. Now you just adjusted the water level. So right now it's set to medium or large, whatever this is, whatever the setting is. It's only got two, but now it's stuck at that setting once you put the machine back together. So this is a little finger here. Now you can do that to adjust it if you want to use more water and rinse, but now it's stuck there. So what I plan on doing is replacing the non-adjustable one with an adjustable one, which will involve drilling a hole in the control panel. The connections are the same, so it just matters of swapping them out and making a hole, because you see how this one sticks out, this one does not. So step one is about 4 screws I believe I have to remove in the back, 2 Phillips and 2 like hex head screws. So let's see if I can get that off. How big of a bitch is this going to be? This stupid thing to work. They kind of make it tamper resistant too. There's like a little plastic finger covering the Phillips screw. So let me pause the camera and see what I can do about that.